Hey, a very warm welcome on my channel Phrontistery. In this video, I'll share a review on ORGANIX Mantra Mulethi powder. It retails for Rs 599. I got it at Rs 265 on discount. It's a 200-gram powder which comes in a properly sealed plastic packet or pouch. After opening, to maintain its freshness, please transfer the contents in an airtight container. Its shelf life after opening is given as 6 months. That is, within 6 months, you should use this for better results. Now coming to the Mulethi as a sole ingredient of this product, Mulethi is called as licorice in English. It's considered as one of the best natural ingredient which is very beneficial for your skin and hair. The powder is derived from licorice root. Mulethi or licorice has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties which are effective for any kind of scalp problems. Some people have acne on scalp, so if you have, you can apply licorice powder's paste, leave it for some time before washing your hair, and it will soothe and calm your scalp. Also, you can apply it as a mask on your hair or even mix it with henna or mehndi powder as well for extra benefit. On skin, you can make a paste of it and apply to your face or body for brighter skin. It's best to use in summers for de-tanning. It has anti-inflammatory properties too, so it's good for acne and skin breakouts as well. It's even good in skin disorders like eczema or rosacea, etc. But yes, before trying any new product, always make sure to do a patch test on your skin, like behind the ears, to see if it suits you or not. Talking about the quality of Mulethi or licorice face powder, it's organic and pure and is finely milled. I never had used Mulethi powder before, but my mom had in her younger days, so she immediately approved this powder to be real Mulethi organic powder. I hardly purchase any ready-made paste face packs. I prefer to purchase one ingredient powders as I can mix ingredients according to my skin preference and season. Also, when I'm adding my ingredients, I know which one suits me, so I can finally apply my DIY face packs or hair packs knowing that they are chemical free and safe on my sensitive acne prone skin. So dear, these were my 3 video reviews on the 3 ORGANIX Mantra powders. I'll share soon my DIY face packs with you all. So stay tuned, be subscribed, and do subscribe if you haven't done yet. It's free, dear. So thanks for watching. Take care and bye-bye.